Now, since we've been talking about details a lot, we're going to move over there. So this is where you obviously find more detailed information. It's good to check this page weekly or on a monthly basis, or whenever you need to investigate possible issues further, whether they're positive or negative ones. Up here, you have a bit more tools in comparison to the quick view page when it comes to, for example, the time frames. You have the hours as well here. You could change how you want to view these. So if you change it to responses, the graphs change a little bit. So play around with that and see what, different times works for you. And the results widget here works pretty much the same way as in the quick view, and again shows you the fluctuations of responses and changes in the performance index. The hourly and weekly distribution widgets show the combined results of the same hours and same day weekdays of all the days and weeks. Then here you can see the total results of all the smiley button presses. So what colored smiley button was pressed how many times. And then we have the comparison widget, which shows you the results of the groups and experience points under the selected group. So it's only visible if you're viewing the results at a group level. This can help you to easily compare the performance of different groups and experience points so that you can determine which places might need improvement the most. Then moving on, we have open feedback here. This is visible if you're using Smiley Touch, digital, or a QR code survey, and you have open feedback enabled. You can see all of the open feedback given during the selected time period and also filter out spam, see how that changes. And open feedback can have a very important role in pointing out where you might have a problem when you start to really investigate what's going on. Then we have the pain points and highlights widgets. And these are showing, again, if you're using Smiley Touch, digital, or the QR code survey, and you've used follow-up options. So as we checked a little bit earlier, when we created a new survey, you can choose if you want to have the follow-up options enabled. It's a very handy tool, and again, gives you very much good information on why exactly your customers are or employees are happy or unhappy. So the pain points show the follow-up options after a negative response to the main question, and then the highlight shows the options after a positive response. You can also see alerts here visible for the selected time period if you have those enabled.